In this list we've got words starting with GU or BU. So we've got guess, guest, guide, guild, guard, guitar, guarantee, build, buy and boy. So let's go through and highlight some of the other things we can see happening in these words. So you know, if you've got a short word with a short vowel sound, you've got ep, you use double S at the end. Guest is quite easy. Guide, you've got the E making the previous vowel I make its long sound. You've got an R controlled vowel in guard, and you've got that R, same R controlled vowel at the end of guitar. Guarantee, there aren't many words that end in double E, and this is one of them, so you need to remember that. Build is quite easy. Buy, it's one of, we also have, this buy means when you pay money for something at a shop, but we also have buy, like the book was written by, and we have goodbye, which is spelled B-Y-E. Now boy, this boy is a floaty thing that we see in the water that is used as a marker for hazards or to indicate a mooring. So let's go back to the top and look at the other meanings of words. So a guess is to not know for something for certain and to have a go at it. A guest is a visitor that you may have at your home. A guide is something or someone that tells you where to go. It could be a map or a person. A guild is an association of like-minded people. A guard is someone who protects something by watching over it. A guitar is a musical stringed instrument. A guarantee is an assurance that a product will work. Build is to make or construct something from materials. If you're building a house, you probably use bricks or wood. And buy means to purchase something by paying money. We've already done boy. So you can do the rest of this activity on your own by reading, sounding the words, then spelling them, writing them and checking them. In these words we've got words starting with GU or BU. So we've got guess, guest, guide, guild, guard, guitar, guarantee, build, buy and boy. Now if you have a look at them, you know that if this E is a short sound and it's a short word, we have to put double S at the end. Guest is just as you sound it. E here in guide is making the previous vowel long. Guild is easy. Guard, you've got that A-R, R-controlled vowel, same as on the end of guitar. Guarantee, you've got that A-R again. And now this is one of the very few words that we use double E at the end for the long E sound. Most commonly we use a Y at the end. So just remember that is double E, just like committee, C or tree. Build, you've got that I in there, don't forget. Now buy, this buy means that when you pay money for something and you get something back, you buy it. And this boy is the boy that is a floating marker in the water for to show us perhaps if there's a reef in the water, or it also shows where a mooring is too. Okay, we went through the meanings of all those words yesterday, so all you have to do today is fill in the gap with the missing list word. So you've got a whole pile of sentences to work your way through there. If you get stuck, ask your friends in your group. Buy, buy and buy are all homophones, so you've got to work out which one fills which sentence. So this buy, as we just said, is where we exchange money for a good or service. This buy is when you say goodbye to someone, and this buy means, like, might mean the book was written by someone, or I went by the beach on the way home. What does it mean? Link to the answer. These are common sayings that you might hear or people may use, and you need to understand what they're saying or writing. Anybody's guess, keep someone guessing, guest of honour and a guard of honour. What do all those sayings mean? The meanings are here, you just have to link them up. Our words today are guess, guest, guide, guild, guard, guitar, guarantee, build, buy and boy. So in the first part you have to fill in the missing verb in its correct tense, so be careful there. Here you're making some new words, so just follow the prompts. In the next section, you're looking at plural nouns, so have a think about those before you simply add the S. Down here you've got bought and brought. Remember, bought comes from the word buy and brought comes from the word bring. Down the very bottom, we're just creating compound words by adding a list word to the given word here and here. This is a proofreading and sound sort page. So at the top we've got the proofreading. Just go through and highlight which of the two words, which in each pair is correct, and then write the word correctly on the line. Down here you're going to finish off the O sound in all these words. So you've got OA, OW, O, consonant E, just the O on its own, OE and OUGH. So go through and write in the sound. So we've got poach here with the OA. Here we've got the OW. Here we've got the O consonant E. Here we've got just the O on its own. Down here we've got the OUGH. And I think we've done them all now. Then you need to go back and write each of them under the phonogram that you've used. So it may help you to highlight them or work them out. We've given you the exact number of lines for each of the different O sounds. So just check your work when you finish.